Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Mercusys ME30 Wi-Fi repeater. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Mercusys ME30 Wi-Fi repeater is a simple plug-in device that helps boost your Wi-Fi coverage in areas where the signal is weak. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, we will unbox the repeater box. Inside the box of the Mercusys ME30 Wi-Fi repeater, you'll typically find the repeater unit itself and a quick start guide, manual, to help you set it up. That's pretty much all you need, no extra cables or complicated parts. Now plug the ME30 into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router for the initial setup. Wait 30 to 40 seconds until the LED becomes stable. Now take an electronics device like PC, laptop, smartphone. On your computer or mobile device, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, usually named Mercusys_XXXXXX. Launch a web browser and enter http://mwlogin.net in the address bar. You'll be prompted to create a login password, if it's the first time, or enter the password you previously set. Once logged in, the extender will automatically scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. After a few seconds, you should see a list of available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. If your router broadcasts both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, you will likely see both options. Choose the network you want to extend. After selecting your Wi-Fi network, you'll be prompted to enter the password for that network. At this point, you can either keep the same name for the extended network as your main Wi-Fi or choose a new name, SSID, for the extended network. Once you've configured the settings, click Save or Finish. The button may vary depending on the model. The extender will reboot, and during this process, the settings will be applied. This may take a minute or two. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.